Welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to bold text on Facebook. If you want your status update to stand out, or attract more attention to a matter that's important to you, you should definitely try bolding key parts of the text. Here's how it works. Go to your profile. Click on the What's on Your Mind box. Write your status, but do not publish it yet. Select a part of the text you'd like to bold and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Open YaText's bold text generator page in a new tab. Paste the selected text into the generator's Your Text box. The generator offers you several options to customize your text. Choose between the serif and sans options. Click on the copy button next to your choice. Go back to Facebook and right-click on the selected text. Select Paste from the drop-down menu. Hit the Post button. Now, your post should be published with the bold text that you copied from YaText. There you have it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get video updates daily. Thank you and have a nice day.